A vibrant garden with cucumber, squash, and melon plants. Hey there, green thumbs. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on growing some delicious and refreshing goodies, cucumbers, squash, and melons right from the seed. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide is packed with easy tips to make your garden thrive. So let's get our hands dirty and grow some goodness. Choosing your seeds. First things first, let's talk seeds. When picking cucumber, squash, or melon seeds, go for high-quality, fresh seeds from a reliable source. Check the seed packet for information on the variety, ideal growing conditions, and planting depth. And hey, don't be afraid to try a mix of heirloom and hybrid seeds for a diverse and tasty harvest. Selecting the right location. Now, let's find the perfect spot for our little seedlings. Cucumbers, squash, and melons love sunlight. So choose a location in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Make sure the soil is well draining. These plants don't like wet feet. Good drainage helps prevent diseases and ensures your plants stay happy. Preparing the soil. Time to prep that soil. These veggies prefer a rich, loamy soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. If you're not a soil scientist, no worries. Just add some well-rotted compost or organic matter to your garden bed. Mix it in to give your plants the nutrient-rich foundation they need to grow big and strong. Planting your seeds. Let's talk planting. Follow the instructions on your seed packet for the specific depth and spacing needed for your chosen varieties. As a general rule, plant your seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep and keep them a few inches apart. It's like giving each seed its own little space to thrive and spread its roots. Watering. Water, the elixir of life for our plants. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the germination phase. Once your seedlings emerge, water them deeply and consistently. Aim for about an inch of water per week, but adjust based on your local weather conditions. Remember, happy plants equal tasty veggies, supporting your growing vines. As your plants grow, they might need a bit of support. Cucumbers, squash, and melons are notorious for their sprawling vines. So consider using trellises or cages. Not only does this keep them tidy, but it also helps maximize space and makes harvesting a breeze. Think of it as giving your garden a little green hug. Fertilizing. Feeding time? Once your seedlings have a few leaves, it's time to introduce some fertilizer. Go for a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer and follow the package instructions. Apply it every few weeks during the growing season. Remember, moderation is key. We want our plants to grow healthy, not overloaded. Thinning your seedlings. A little tough love can go a long way. Once your seedlings have a few true leaves, it's time to thin them out. Choose the healthiest looking plants and gently remove the weaker ones. This allows the remaining plants to have more space and nutrients, ensuring a robust harvest. Dealing with pests naturally. The battle against pests. Instead of reaching for chemicals, let's take a natural approach. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs or use neem oil to deter unwanted visitors. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble and address issues promptly. A little preventive care goes a long way in the garden. Harvesting. The moment we've all been waiting for harvest time. Cucumbers, squash, and melons are ready to be picked when they reach a mature size. Check your seed packet or do a quick online search for specific varieties. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruners to harvest. And don't be afraid to share the bounty with friends and neighbors. Saving seeds. One more tip before we wrap up, consider saving seeds for next year's garden. It's like a gift from your current garden to your future one. Allow some fruits to fully mature on the vine. Collect the seeds, and let them dry completely before storing. You'll be creating a beautiful cycle of growth in your own backyard. And there you have it. Folks, the ultimate guide to growing cucumbers, squash, and melons from seed. Remember, gardening is a journey, and each step is a rewarding experience. So grab those seeds, get your hands dirty, and enjoy the delicious fruits of your labor. Happy gardening, and may your harvest be bountiful. Thanks for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Until next time, happy planting.